Joann Fabrics is closing forever. I'm sad, and I know you're sad too. I'm sad about it for personal reasons, but we'll get into that later. And the thing that makes me the saddest is that it's going to be hard for everyone to buy fabric and notions and all those little things you need to sew. And some of you have been asking me, where do I buy these things now? Especially if you don't have a local fabric store around you. So I've been thinking about this, and the solution I came up with is for us to build a list of these places together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting a post on my blog on my website, and there's going to be a link down below in the description. And on the site, there's going to be a list of online retailers you can shop from and in-person brick and mortar retailers you can shop from. But I live in Chicago and I don't necessarily know the best fabric stores in, let's say, St. Louis. So I want you guys to chime in. Leave your favorite fabric stores down below in the comments. Let us know what city they're in, or they could be online retailers too. Which are your favorite sites to buy fabric and notions from? So I'm going to be looking down below in the comments to add all of your favorite spots to the resource list. So we can do this together. And this list is going to be a great way for you to support your local fabric stores because we don't want those disappearing as well. And a lot of the independent retailers also sell online, so just because you don't live by it doesn't mean you can't support it and shop from it. I can't wait to check out your favorite fabric store. I know I'm gonna find some cool places from you guys. So share this video with your friends who like to sew because we wanna make this list huge and we wanna keep independent retail for fabric and notions in business. And before, when I said it was personally sad for me that Joann's is closing forever, it's because I used to cut fabric at a Joann when I was a teenager. What a fun job, right? And then later on, when I was in college, I actually sold sewing machines at Joann at the Sewing Viking Center in there. So fun. And then last year, I was actually working with the Joann team for social media content. So I've always been working with Joann, supporting Joann. It has just been a part of my life and my sewing journey. So I am really sad that they are disappearing. And I'm so nostalgic for Joann being a part of my life that I was in Joann the other day and I saw a sign that they are still hiring even through the bankruptcy. So guess what I did? I applied online. So we'll see if I get the job or not, but I think I can squeeze in a day or two here or there to work at Joann. I thought it would be really fun, so I hope I get it. And if I get the job, I'm going to be sharing my experience with you, so keep a lookout for it. One last hurrah at the fabric cutting counter. Building this list with you guys is going to be so fun, and we're gonna make something great out of this sad occasion. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you want to support what I do here, make sure you check out my sewing classes online and in person. There's links down below in the description. And also like and subscribe to Sew Anastasia if you're enjoying the channel. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!